Today we are going to make pepper chicken. If you are seeing our channel for the first time, please do subscribe. In a kadai, pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, add a small piece of cinnamon stick, 1 spoon of fennel seed and 2 dry red chilies. Saute them well. Next goes in 2 big chopped onions. Saute it well. Add required amount of salt, some amount of curry leaves and saute them well. Now close the lid and cook for some time. Now our onion is sauteed well. Now add 2 green chilies and saute them. Now let's prepare the dry masala. For that, in a non-stick pan, add 3 to 4 spoons of whole pepper, 1 spoon of fennel seed, 1 spoon of cumin seeds, small piece of cinnamon, 2 cardamoms and 2 cloves. Roast them well. Allow it to cool. Now add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it well till the raw smell goes. Now let's add the chicken. Cut the chicken in small pieces and add. Mix well with the sauteed onions. Add half spoon of turmeric powder and saute well till the raw smell goes. No need to pour any extra water. Now close the lid and cook for some time. Now let's powder the dry masala. Now our dry masala is ready. Let's add this into the chicken. After adding, saute till the raw smell of masala goes. Now add half spoon of coriander powder and mix well. Squeeze half a lemon and mix well. Now our yummy and tasty pepper chicken is ready. All must try this at home. Take a picture and tag us on Instagram at Honey Street. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Like the video, comment down below and share. Thank you for watching. Till next time, bye bye.